Hi. I'm here to talk to you about
finding the best chiropractor for back pain relief in Atlanta. How safe is chiropractic treatment? This is by far the most common question asked by new patients. To start, let us first discuss a few common fears regarding these treatments. I heard it can cause a stroke. Some doctors and articles claim that chiropractic treatment has been shown to increase your chances of having a stroke. They say that this can happen when you have a high-velocity neck manipulation, a fairly common practice among chiropractors. What the evidence says, however, proves that this is a false claim. The event that is actually happening is a very rare form of stroke, during which an arterial injury occurs. Research indicates that this kind of injury can happen spontaneously to patients who have pre-existing arterial disease. In other words, this type of stroke can suddenly happen whether you have chiropractic treatment or not. It is safer to just take pills, right? No, not at all. The pharmaceutical companies would like you to think their products are always safe, but the numbers say otherwise. For example, people on NSAIDs are 3 times more likely to develop serious gastrointestinal issues such as a hemorrhage than those who do not. Think painkillers are okay? Think again. The CDC says that painkillers are now one of the leading causes of accidental death in the United States. This does not happen with chiropractic treatments. So, are chiropractic treatments safe or not? In a word, yes. Chiropractic treatment is one of the safest treatments available for everything, from back pain to sinus issues. There is a reason why so many patients who visit a chiropractor fall in love with the treatments. They generally feel better, have more energy, and love that the amount of pain they were experiencing is reduced. When should you see a chiropractor? Chiropractors perform a number of different functions. They are trained to heal with holistic methods, including diet, exercise, as well as what you may typically think of. Even though most people think that chiropractors just help with back pain, there are a lot of other things that they can help you with. Here are just a few signs that you should consider going to a chiropractor. Are you feeling excessive muscle, head or joint pain? For example, even if it does not physically touch, a problem in your spine can cause you to have headaches. You may also experience very stiff shoulders or aching muscles for apparently no reason. If you are constantly having these types of pains, and nothing seems to help, then you should consider seeing a chiropractor. Are you sitting down most of the time? Tens of millions of Americans sit down the majority of the time. Many spend 10 to 14 hours sitting. What most people do not realize is that our bodies are not meant to sit this much. A chiropractor can help relieve any misalignment that sitting may be causing to your back or posture. Poor posture sometimes comes from sitting down all day. However, there are other causes as well. Either way, a chiropractor may be able to help. Is one shoulder lower than the other? Even though you may have very small differences between the two, sometimes a poor muscle or bone alignment can cause a significant problem. If clothes seem to fit differently on one side or the other, or maybe your shoes do not wear out evenly, it's time to see a chiropractor. Before choosing a chiropractor, make sure you do your due diligence. Do not just go with the first one you come across. However, do not be afraid to work with one that seems to be a great candidate. Any good chiropractor will be more than willing to answer your questions. They will create a customized treatment plan to fit your needs and budget.
Hope you found it useful. For more information, please click the link in description.